Grow tomatoes anywhere. Upcycling plastic bottles for a bumper crop. Dreaming of vine-ripened, juicy tomatoes bursting with flavor? You don't need a sprawling garden to enjoy the taste of homegrown goodness. This video will show you how to grow delicious tomatoes using recycled plastic bottles, no matter how small your space. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common gardening challenge: limited space and a desire to be eco-friendly. Many of us crave fresh, homegrown produce, but lack the garden space to make it happen. The solution: growing tomatoes in recycled plastic bottles. It's a fantastic way to enjoy fresh tomatoes, even if you only have a balcony, patio, or sunny windowsill. Plus, you're reducing plastic waste, a win-win. In this video, we'll guide you through every step, from preparing your bottles to harvesting your delicious homegrown tomatoes. Get ready to transform those empty plastic bottles into thriving tomato plants. Let's gather our materials. You'll need a few simple items to get started on your tomato growing adventure. Don't worry, most of these are easy to find and budget-friendly. First, you'll need plastic bottles. 2-liter bottles work great, but any size will do. Make sure they're clean and free of any residue. Next, grab a sharp knife or scissors. This will be used to cut the bottles, so be careful. Adult supervision is recommended for younger gardeners. Good quality potting mix is essential for healthy tomato growth. Avoid using garden soil, as it can compact in containers. You'll also need tomato seedlings or seeds. Choose compact or bush varieties that are well suited for container gardening. Finally, you'll need a watering can or bottle to keep your plants hydrated. A gentle stream of water is best to avoid disturbing the soil. While not essential, these materials can enhance your tomato growing experience. Consider adding these to your toolkit for even better results. Drainage material, such as small stones or gravel, can help prevent waterlogging. Place a layer at the bottom of the bottle for improved drainage. Tomato plants can get heavy as they grow, so consider using stakes or twine for support. This will help prevent the plants from toppling over. Now, let's prepare our plastic bottles. This is a crucial step in creating the perfect container for your tomato plants. Carefully cut the bottle about 2/3 of the way up. You can cut it straight across or get creative with a decorative edge. If you're using drainage material, add a layer to the bottom of the bottle. This will help prevent the roots from sitting in water. Time to plant your tomato seedlings. This is where the magic happens, and you'll start to see your garden come to life. Fill the bottom half of the bottle with potting mix. Leave some space at the top for watering. Gently remove the tomato seedling from its original pot. Be careful not to damage the roots. Plant the seedling in the potting mix, burying the stem up to the first set of leaves. This encourages stronger root growth. Water thoroughly after planting. Make sure the soil is evenly moist but not waterlogged. For a simple self-watering system, place the top half of the bottle upside down inside the bottom half. This acts as a reservoir for water. The soil will draw water up from the reservoir, keeping the roots consistently moist. This is especially helpful during hot weather. Sunlight is crucial for tomato growth. Aim for at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight per day. If growing indoors, place your tomato plants near a sunny window. Rotate the plants regularly to ensure even growth. Water your tomato plants regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Check the soil moisture by sticking your finger in the soil. Fertilize your tomato plants every few weeks with a balanced tomato fertilizer. This will provide the necessary nutrients for healthy growth and fruit production. As your tomato plants grow, provide support with stakes or twine. This will help prevent the plants from toppling over under the weight of the fruit. Even with the best care, you might encounter some common problems. Don't worry, we're here to help you troubleshoot. Yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering or nutrient deficiency. Adjust your watering schedule and fertilize your plants. Aphids are common pests that can infest tomato plants. Inspect your plants regularly and use organic pest control methods if needed. Here are some pro tips to help you maximize your tomato harvest. These simple strategies can make a big difference. Choose a sunny location for your tomato plants. Sunlight is essential for healthy growth and fruit production. Water your tomato plants consistently. Avoid letting the soil dry out completely. Use good quality potting mix. This will provide the necessary nutrients and drainage for healthy root growth. Fertilize your tomato plants regularly. This will ensure they have the nutrients they need to produce a bountiful harvest. Consider using a self-watering system. This will help keep the soil consistently moist, especially during hot weather. Most importantly, enjoy your homegrown tomatoes. There's nothing quite like the taste of fresh, vine-ripened tomatoes. Congratulations! You've successfully grown tomatoes in recycled plastic bottles. It's a fun, rewarding, and sustainable way to enjoy fresh produce. Growing tomatoes in bottles is a fantastic way to reduce waste, save money, and enjoy the taste of homegrown goodness. It's a win-win for you and the environment. Did you enjoy this video? If so, please give it a like. Your support helps us create more gardening content. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips, tutorials, and inspiration. We're always sharing new ideas to help you grow your own food. Share this video with your friends and family who might be interested in growing their own tomatoes. Let's spread the joy of gardening. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.